Discover the breathtaking beauty of Switzerland, from the majestic Swiss Alps and crystal clear lakes to peaceful villages and modern cities. This cinematic travel documentary takes you on a visual journey through one of the most beautiful countries in the world, perfect for nature lovers, travel enthusiasts, and dreamers. Welcome to Switzerland, a land where nature feels like a dream, and every view looks like a masterpiece painted by time itself. Wide shots of the Alps, Matterhorn Peak, green valleys, waterfalls flowing on rocky cliffs, cows grazing peacefully. Switzerland is home to the majestic Alps, towering mountains that touch the sky, crystal clear air, endless green meadows, and breathtaking peaks make this country one of the most beautiful places on Earth. Smooth shots of Lake Geneva, Lake Lucerne, and Lake Zurich. Boats moving slowly. Reflections of mountains on clear blue water. Its lakes are calm and magical. From Lake Geneva to Lake Lucerne, the water reflects the surrounding beauty like a mirror, creating scenes that feel unreal. Scenes of Zurich streets, Lucerne Old Town bridges, Interlaken village, wooden houses with flowers, people walking peacefully. Swiss cities are clean, peaceful, and perfectly organized. Historic villages with wooden houses and colorful flowers make you feel like you've stepped into a fairy tale. Famous red Swiss train moving through mountains, tunnels, and valleys, people smiling, enjoying coffee, cycling. Switzerland's world-famous trains offer journeys like no other. Life here moves calmly, with balance, discipline, and deep respect for nature. Close-ups of Swiss chocolate, cheese, clocks, local markets, traditional clothing. From delicious chocolate and cheese to precision watches, Switzerland blends tradition with modern perfection. Sunset over the mountains, soft golden light, slow fade out. Switzerland is not just a country, it's a feeling, a place where peace, beauty, and nature live in perfect harmony.